Hello guys, how to fix if your storage drive not showing on File Explorer on Windows 11 and 10 under this PC option. When you open your File Explorer windows and under this PC, if your drive not showing, then here are the fixes. Right click on Start button and choose Device Manager. Open Device Manager in your system, and here from the left side expand disk drives and right click on your driver and choose Properties. And if you found, go to driver details, and if you found there is a possibility of your device driver is disabled, so simply enable the driver from here and also right click on it and choose update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Your drive will now definitely show up in File Explorer of your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's all.